Hi and welcome back to the channel. Thank you so much for clicking into this video. So in this video, I'm going to teach you how to fix Fall Guys missing files in Epic Games. Make sure that you stay until the very end of this video so you don't miss an important step or information, and without further ado, let's get on it. So in this video, I'm going to show you various processes or troubleshooting steps that you can do to possibly fix this issue. So the first thing that you can do is to verify game files integrity. So to do that, just open the Epic Games launcher on your computer and then go to the library and just simply find Fall Guys in the list of installed games. So just click into the three dots button next to the Fall Guys and then just select a verify from the drop down menu. So the launcher will now scan the game files and then repair or replace any missing or corrupted files automatically. And once the process is complete, just try launching Fall Guys to check if the error is resolved. The next, what you can do is to update Epic Games Launcher. So just ensure that your Epic Games Launcher is up to date. So just open the Epic Games Launcher and click onto the settings icon in the bottom left corner. And in the settings menu, just click on check for updates button to update the launcher. And after the update is complete, restart the launcher and then just try launching Fall Guys again. And then what you can do next is to run Epic Games Launcher as administrator. So to do that, just right click onto the Epic Games Launcher shortcut on your desktop and select Run as Administrator from the context menu. And if prompted for permission, just click yes to allow administrative access. And after that, just launch Fall Guys from the launcher and see if the missing files error is resolved. And then lastly, what you can do is to reinstall the Fall Guys. So if the steps prior from this did not fix this issue, you may need to reinstall Fall Guys. So open the Epic Games Launcher and go to your library to locate Fall Guys in the list of installed games and click onto the three dots button again and simply select uninstall to remove the game from your system. And after the installation is complete, just download and reinstall Fall Guys from the Epic Games Store and launch the game to check if the error is resolved. So that's it for this video. Those are some troubleshooting steps that you can do to fix the Fall Guys missing files in Epic Games error. So I hope this helped you, and if it did, please make sure to like, subscribe, and hit notification bell button so you don't miss a video. Thank you so much for watching and have a great day. Bye bye.